Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you question and answer episode number 3. So this is my question and answer episode number 3. So I was selected some random questions from our comment box. In this video, I will explain you answers for that respected questions. So my first question is, which software is best, StatPro or E-Type software? Most of the people are asking this question. As per my knowledge, both StatPro software as well as E-Type software are equal. So, but the designing part as well as modeling part is different for the respected building. If you want to construct any one of the building like a G+1 building or G+2 building or another type of buildings, so I am recommended to design this respected building in both softwares. Try to learn both softwares, so it will give you more knowledge about the structural designing. So this is my answer for my first question. Second question is, what is the minimum size of the column as per IS code? So as per IS code 456-2000 code is suggested that the minimum size of the column should be 9 inches cross 9 inches, which is approximately equal to 230 mm cross 230 mm. So below that 9 inches cross 9 inches, so it was not recommended to construct any kind of the building or analysis part for the respected ground story. So if you want to construct any one of the building, let us consider G+2 building is there. We need to construct this respected building. We need to consider as per IS 456-2000 code, minimum size should be 9 inches cross 9 inches. So it was suggested that less than your 9 inches cross 9 inches, we no need to consider for designing part as per IS 456 code. So this is my answer for second question. Third question is, can you explain us what is the wind terrain category? So basically most of the people are concentrating on wind terrain category. Wind terrain category is nothing but height of the obstacle or hill region or surrounding building site. So we need to concentrate on the height of the respected surrounding building also while considering into the wind loading condition. So as per IAS 875 code, it was divided into 4 types of categories. So first one is wind terrain category 1, second one is wind terrain category 2, third one is wind terrain category 3, fourth one is wind terrain category 4. If the height of the obstacle or hill region which is less than your 1.5 meter, which will be comes under your wind terrain category 1. If the height of the obstacle or hill region which is in between 1.5 meter to 3 meter, which will be comes under your terrain category 2. If your height of the building or obstacle is in between 3 meter to 9 meter, which will be comes under your terrain category 3. So if the height of the building is greater than your 9 meter, which will be comes under your terrain category 4. So let us consider we are constructing G+2 building. Height of the building is 3 meter. So we need to concentrate on the obstacle height. If you want to construct this respected building of G+2 in open ground, so this will be comes under your terrain category 1. Why? Because the height of the obstacle or hill region is less than 1.5. This will be comes under your terrain category 1. So in the same way, if you construct this respected G+2 building which is having surround height is 1.5 meter to 3 meter, nothing but your ground story building is there in surrounding buildings, so which will be comes under your terrain category 2. So if you construct this respected G+2 building which is having terrain category height is between 3 meter to 9 meter, which is comes under your terrain category 3. So if you construct any kind of G+2 building which is having surrounding height is 9 meter or greater than 9 meter, we need to consider that as terrain category 4. Now I will explain you perfect example for this respected terrain category. So if you want to construct a building in open ground, just we need to consider 1.5 meter less than obstacle height, so which is comes under your terrain category 1. So if you construct any kind of the building which is in villages, which is comes under your terrain category 2. So if you construct this respected G+2 building which is having some municipal cities or developing cities, which comes under your respected terrain category 3. So if you construct this respected G+2 building in cities, which will be comes under your terrain category 4. Why? Because in cities the building height is greater than your G+2 stories, nothing but your obstacle height is increasing your 9 meter, so that will be comes under your terrain category 4. So this is the explanation for wind terrain category. So this is my third answer. My next question is, can you make a videos in slow motion? So most of the people are asking, please make videos in slow motion. We are unable to understand videos with the fast explanation. So for example, let us consider if I want to design any one of the building. So if I make any videos in slow motion, so it will get the length of the video is 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So for that reason, just I am making my videos in fast motion condition. So if you are interested to view the videos in slow motion condition, so please check the settings option in below this respected YouTube option. So go to select your speed type as 0.75x. So you can watch the video in 0.75. So it will get your perfect design. So otherwise you can continue with my video explanation speed. So this is my answer for fourth question. Fifth question is, can you explain us what are the software which are useful for architectures? So this is one of the most important question for the civil engineers. So as per my knowledge and experience, initially you need to learn Revit architecture software. So this is also one of the most important software which was developed by Autodesk company. It will give you the perfect rendering for the respected elevation of the building and interior design of the building. So after learning process completed for Revit architecture software, you need to learn 3ds Max software which is related to interior designing and exterior designing. So this is also one of the most powerful tool for architectural point of view. So after that you need to learn SketchUp software. So this is also one of the most important software. Nowadays people are using this SketchUp software for simple and perfect designs. So this is the answer for my fifth question. My next question is error in support input. How to solve this error? So this error in support input due to two reasons. First reason is, if you not applied any fixed supports at the base, it will get your error in support input after analysis process. So you need to apply the fixed supports before analysis process. So this is my first reason. If sometimes if you apply your fixed supports at the base after analysis process also, it will show you the error in support input. So to solve this error, we need to modify the STAAD editor file. So for that, initially go to edit option, input command file. In that command file, so if you see the last page of your command file, so it will showing that supports will be assigned after analysis process. We need to copy those respected support before analysis process. So after that you need to save the STAAD editor file. So click on close option. So after that go to analysis and print option, again go to analyze option, run analysis. So after that you need to check the zero errors for the respected structure. So I was already explained my video of how to solve this respected error. So if possible I will provide you that video link in above card link and below description. Please follow that video for this respected error. So this is my answer for this respected question. My next question is, structure wizard is not opening for my StatPro software, what I do? So generally this type of problems will be observed in SS6 version software. So as per my experience and my knowledge, I was used my SS6 version software for 1 month. So in that 1 month of period, I was observed some kind of errors which are related to this respected structure wizard option and creation error failed while defining the seismic loading condition. So as per my suggestion, just I am suggesting that please uninstall your SS6 version software and download and install SS5 version software. In this SS5 version software, you will be perfectly open your structure wizard option and you will be able to generate your seismic loading condition without problem of creation error fail. So this is my suggestion for this respected question. So if possible, I will provide you SS5 version download link in my community tab. So please follow that community tab and download that software from that community tab. So this is my answer for this respected question. My next question is, make a video complete explanation of wind load. So in my next coming videos, I will explain you definitely complete explanation which is related to respected wind loading condition. So how to calculate your wind speed as per IS 875 code. So what are the different types of terrain categories are there and how to consider the values of topography factor. So for the respected wind loading condition as per IS 875 code. So in my next coming video, I will explain you how to calculate the wind intensity as per IS 875 code. So this is my answer for the final question. So this is my third question and answer episode number 3. So if you have any queries about this respected question and answer episode number 3, so please comment your query in comment box. Thank you.